वो अब तक निकल चुके होंगे। They will have left by now. They will have left by now. मैं आपसे नहीं मिल पाऊंगा। I will not be able to meet. I will not be able to meet. मैं आपके घर नहीं आ पाऊंगा। I will not be able to come to your home. I will not be able to come to your home. क्या आप मुझसे बात करना चाहेंगे? Would you like to talk to me? Would you like to talk to me? आप मुझसे कहाँ मिलना चाहेंगे? Where would you like to meet me? Where would you like to meet me? आप क्या खाना चाहेंगे? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? हो सके तो मुझे माफ कर देना। If possible, forgive me. If possible, forgive me. हो सके तो उसे सब कुछ बता देना। If possible, tell him everything. If possible, tell him everything. हो सके तो मुझे कॉल कर लेना। If possible, call me. If possible, call me. हो सके तो कुछ खाने के लिए ले आना। If possible, bring something to eat. If possible, bring something to eat. हो सके तो उसे भूल जाना। Forget him if possible. Forget him if possible. मामला बिगड़ गया। The matter took a serious turn. The matter took a serious turn. हमारे तो तोते उड़ गए। We were utterly non-pleased. We were utterly non-pleased. वह नमक हराम था। He was not true to his salt. He was not true to his salt. उसका भाई शराबी है। His brother is alcoholic. His brother is alcoholic. आम किलो के हिसाब से बिकते हैं। Mangoes are sold by kilo. Mangoes are sold by kilo. तुम मेरे पास क्यों आए? Why did you come to me? Why did you come to me? मैंने उसे देखा था। I had seen him. I had seen him. वो मुझसे बात करता है। He talks to me. He talks to me. वो हमेशा वहां जाता है। He always go there. He always go there. लोग ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Why do people think so? Why do people think so? वो कभी-कभी मेरे घर आता है। He sometimes comes my home. He sometimes comes my home. क्या वो स्कूल जा रही है? Is she going to school? Is she going to school? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलोगे? Will you meet me? Will you meet me? क्या वो वहां जाता है? Does he go there? Does he go there? मैं तुमसे मिला था। I had met you. I had met you. लोग मुझसे मिल रहे हैं। People are meeting me. People are meeting me. मैं कल तुमसे मिलूंगा। I will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. आप वहां क्यों गए? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? तुमने ये कितनी बार किया? How many times did you do it? How many times did you do it? वो मुझसे मिल चुका है। He has met me. He has met me. वो मुझसे मिल चुका था। He had met me. He had met me. अब तक आप मुझे सुन रहे थे। So far you were listening to me. So far you were listening to me. अब बोलने की आपकी बारी है। Now it's your turn to speak. Now it's your turn to speak. आपके साथ कौन रहता है? Who lives with you? Who lives with you? आपके साथ कौन कौन रहते हैं? Who all live with you? Who all live with you? मैं आपके बारे में जानता हूँ। I know about you. I know about you. आपके साथ कितने लोग रहते हैं? How many people live with you? How many people live with you? मैं आपके बारे में क्या जानता हूँ? What do I know about you? What do I know about you? मैं ये दिल से करना चाहता हूँ। I want to do it wholeheartedly. I want to do it wholeheartedly. मेरे आगे तुम टिक नहीं सकते। You can't stand against me. You can't stand against me. तुम्हारा काम प्रशंसनीय है। Your work is praiseworthy. Your work is praiseworthy. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की पर सब बेकार। I tried a lot but all in vain. I tried a lot but all in vain. जुबान फिसल गई। It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue. आपके पास कितने पैसे थे? How much money did you have? How much money did you have? मैं वहाँ किसके साथ गया? With whom did I go there? With whom did I go there? आप मुझे पागल लगते हो। You seem to be mad to me. You seem to be mad to me. आप मुझे स्वार्थी लगते हो। You seem to be selfish. You seem to be selfish. मैं वो हूँ जो आपके साथ था। I am the one who was with you. I am the one who was with you. तुम क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? मैंने उसे बैठने के लिए कुर्सी दी। I gave him a chair to sit on. I gave him a chair to sit on. वह कैसा आदमी है? What sort of person is he? What sort of person is he? यह आम खाने में कैसा है? What does this mango taste like? What does this mango taste like? आज सभा होगी। The meeting will be held today. The meeting will be held today. अपने आप से वादा करिए। Promise yourself. Promise yourself. काश मेरे पास पैसे होते। I wish I had money. I wish I had money. वो अपनी मर्जी का मालिक है। He has his own way. He has his own way. क्या आप जानते हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? आप एक बार मुझे इन्फॉर्म कर सकते थे। You could have informed me once. You could have informed me once. तुम पागल हो गए हो क्या? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? मैं सब कुछ तेरे लिए तो करता हूँ। I do everything for you. I do everything for you. क्या तुम उससे डरते हो? Do you get scared of him? Do you get scared of him? मेरे पास बैठने का समय नहीं है। I don't have time to sit. I don't have time to sit. मेरे पास बात करने का समय नहीं है। I don't have time to talk. I don't have time to talk. मेरे पास समझाने का समय नहीं है। I don't have time to explain. I don't have time to explain. बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मुझे घर छोड़ दो। ड्रॉप मी होम। ड्रॉप मी होम। मुझे नींद आ रही है। आई एम गेटिंग स्लीपी। आई एम गेटिंग स्लीपी। कितना बोलती हो तुम? हाउ मच यू स्पीक। हाउ मच यू स्पीक। कितना रोती हो तुम? हाउ मच यू क्राई। हाउ मच यू क्राई। आप बहुत हसीन हो। यू आर एलिगेंट। यू आर एलिगेंट। आप कितने प्यारे हो। यू आर सो अडोरेबल। यू आर सो अडोरेबल। अलग दिख रहे हो। लुकिंग डिसेंट। लुकिंग डिसेंट। हमेशा की तरह ही है। इट्स एज यूजुअल। इट्स एज यूजुअल। ढोंगी हो तुम। यू आर अ हिपोक्रिट। यू आर अ हिपोक्रिट। तू तो पैदाइशी झूठा है। यू आर बोर्न लायर। यू आर बोर्न लायर। आपसे कोई मिलने आया है। Someone has come to see you. Someone has come to see you. आज सुबह मेरी आंख देर से खुली। I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. दरवाजा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking the door? Who is knocking the door? आप अभी तक जाग रहे हैं। You are still awake. You are still awake. आपको कोई नहीं बता सकता। Nobody can tell you. Nobody can tell you. ये लगभग असंभव है। It's almost impossible. It's almost impossible. इससे भी आपका काम नहीं चलेगा। It will not serve your purpose either. It will not serve your purpose either. तो फिर मैं क्या करूं? Then what do I do? Then what do I do? आप एक काम करिए। You do one thing. You do one thing. मेरे कपड़े धोबी के पास गए हैं। My clothes have gone to the laundry. My clothes have gone to the laundry. वह नीली वर्दी पहने हुआ था। He was wearing a blue uniform. He was wearing a blue uniform. ये कोट पानी से नहीं भीगता। It is a waterproof coat. It is a waterproof coat. यह कपड़े आपके लिए है। These dresses are for you. These dresses are for you. यह कोट कमर से ढीला है। This coat is loose at the waist. This coat is loose at the waist. मैं पतंग उड़ा रहा हूँ। I am flying a kite. I am flying a kite. आज हम शतरंज खेलेंगे। We will play chess today. We will play chess today. तुम कौन से खेल खेलते हो? What games do you play? What games do you play? वह तेज दौड़ने वाला है। He is a fast sprinter. He is a fast sprinter. आपकी यात्रा शुभ हो। Have a good trip. Have a good trip. मुझे गलत मत समझना। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. तुम कितने मूर्ख हो। How stupid you are. How stupid you are. मेरा चंचल मन है। I have a fickle mind. I have a fickle mind. मुझे घबराहट हो रही है। I am feeling uneasy. I am feeling uneasy. गुस्सा करना कमजोरी की निशानी है। To get angry is to show weakness. To get angry is to show weakness. आराम हराम है। To rest is to rust. To rest is to rust. न उधार लो न दो, neither borrow nor lend, neither borrow nor lend. उसने अपने पाप का प्रायश्चित किया. He has atoned for his sin. He has atoned for his sin. न धोखा दो न खाओ, neither deceive nor be deceived, neither deceive nor be deceived. मेरी जमीर इजाजत नहीं देता. My conscience doesn't permit. My conscience doesn't permit. मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. I can do anything. I can do anything. मैं घर से काम कर सकता हूँ. I can work from home. I can work from home. मुझे ये सब मत बताओ. Don't tell me all these. Don't tell me all these. दूसरों पर मत हंसो. Don't laugh at others. Don't laugh at others. बातें करना बंद करो. Stop talking. Stop talking. मुझे कुछ कहना है. I am to say something. I am to say something. मैं तुमसे कभी नहीं मिलूंगा. I will never meet you. I will never meet you. मैं यहाँ से नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go from here. I will not go from here. मुझे इसकी आदत है. I'm used to it. I am used to it. मैं खाली नहीं बैठ सकता. I can't sit idle. I can't sit idle. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not refusing. I am not refusing. मेरा अपमान करना बंद करो. Stop insulting me. Stop insulting me. सब एकदम सही था. Everything was perfect. Everything was perfect. मैं आपका शुभचिंतक हूँ. I am your well-wisher. I am your well-wisher. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. आप क्यों पढ़ रहे हो? Why are you learning? Why are you learning? आप वहां क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going there? Why are you going there? उसके दादाजी बहुत दयालु है. His grandfather is very kind. His grandfather is very kind. हमारा घर खाली है. Our house is empty. Our house is empty. वह तुम्हें देख रही है. She is looking at you. She is looking at you. वह तुम्हें घूर रहा है. He is staring at you. He is staring at you. वह कुछ बोलना चाहता था. He wanted to say something. He wanted to say something. वे हमेशा मेरी मदद करते हैं. They always help me. They always help me. हम हर रोज नई चीज सीखते हैं. We learn new things every day. We learn new things every day. वह सबका मजाक उड़ाता है. He makes fun of everyone. He makes fun of everyone. वह मेरे पीछे खड़ी थी. She was standing behind me. She was standing behind me. आज मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak today. Let me speak today. उसको अंदर बुला लो. Bring him in. Bring him in. दिया जला दो. Light the lamp. Light the lamp. दिया बुझा दो. Put out the lamp. Put out the lamp. गाड़ी 1 घंटा लेट है। द ट्रेन इज लेट बाय एन आवर। द ट्रेन इज लेट बाय एन आवर। हमारे पास बहुत कम समय है। वी हैव वेरी लिटल टाइम। वी हैव वेरी लिटल टाइम। समय बहुत खराब है। टाइम इज वेरी अनफेवरेबल। टाइम इज वेरी अनफेवरेबल। मेरे लौटने तक यही रहना। स्टे हियर टिल आई रिटर्न। स्टे हियर टिल आई रिटर्न। ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना। नेवर डू सो अगेन। नेवर डू सो अगेन। भाग्य ने उसका खूब साथ दिया। लक फेवर्ड हिम वेरी मच। लक फेवर्ड हिम वेरी मच। भाग्य बलवान का साथ देता है। Fate favors the brave. Fate favors the brave. आज तो जमा देने वाली ठंडी है। It is freezing cold today. It is freezing cold today. इंसान अपना भाग्य खुद बनाता है। Man is the architect of his own fate. Man is the architect of his own fate. मैं तुम्हें ठीक कर दूंगा। I will set you right. I will set you right. यह बड़ा भाग्यवान है। He is fortunate. He is fortunate. आज तो बड़ा गहरा कोहरा है। It is very foggy today. It is very foggy today. मौसम अनिश्चित है। The weather is uncertain. The weather is uncertain.